Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, you guys see by the title and the thumbnail, this is another 1 pal in Zirc. And yeah, before we get started, again, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. I have exclusive discounts just for my viewers. Use code DailyDoseOfFidgets at checkout to get 10% off your entire orders. Check them out down below. I'll leave the links. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is, I believe, polished oil slick Zirc 1 pal. I also unboxed the blasted Zirc one. God, this thing is just amazing. I am really excited to check this out. Like, I really love this thing. I cannot put it down. So yeah, definitely recommend it. And all right, let's see it. Yes, it is oil slick Zirc. All right, let's go ahead and put this down here. What else does it have? It's got an extra plate. Oh yeah, so this is an extra zirconium plate. Pretty cool. And just some extra springs and balls and pistons. Cool. Put that aside, out of the camera view, and here it is. Let me open it up. All right, and there you go. Look at that. It is secondhand, a bit used, but I do not mind. Let's see. Oh yeah. It does sound a bit different than this one. But this in a way does sound a bit better because it gives it a little ding after. And this one definitely has stiffer springs than this. But damn, this one's also nice. I would say the feel is way better on the blasted Zirc. God, this is amazing. Why didn't I get this in the first place? Why would I get a PEI version? Yeah, like I said in the video where I unboxed this thing, I also did have the PEI version of this thing. And at first I loved it. I mean, the 1 pal is amazing, but it was loud. Like over time it was like really annoying because I would like hurt my ears whenever I would go like this. So yeah, I had to sell it. I really wanted to keep it until I got these, so I can do a comparison video. But unfortunately, I had sold it already about a week and a half ago. So yeah, but these are here now, and these are amazing. I will say, Zirc is the best material for sliders, coins, spinners, mechanical fidgets. It's just good weight, to be honest. Also, like you guys saw here, I also have the zirconium plate. So in a later video, I'll be switching out the Teflon for the zirconium one and see what it's like. So yeah. These are just so good. Here it says Zirc number 129. There's a sticker over here, so you can't really see. I'm not gonna take that sticker off and leave it on. It's so good. You guys don't understand. It is really, really good. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clicks. Well, 4 clicks you go one side, but if you do both, that's 8. And yeah, these things are amazing. I think this will be in my daily carry now, for sure. These are so good. I would definitely recommend you guys pick one up in Zirc. Especially blasted Zirc if you can. This is way, way more rare than this. These don't come up on the Facebook marketplaces at all. I've seen a couple of these, but none of these at all. I saw a guy that was wanting to buy one of these for $200. I don't think many people actually had one to begin with to sell. So yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and check out the weight of this thing. I kind of forgot what it was. So the blasted Zirc, they should be the same weight. 75.15, 74.9. So yeah, I guess there's a bit of difference here and there, but overall it should be the same. Let's try the sound test. So 62 to 65. So 56 to 60 for this one. Again, that is based on the spring and balls that are in this thing. So you can make it sound different, but you can also make it sound the same. This is just so nice feeling in your hand with the stone washed. I mean, blasted Zirc. So nice. But the oil slick one is also nice as well. It's got some nice coloring to it. It's so good. Like, I couldn't recommend this thing more. There are actually a lot of different materials in this thing that has come out. The titanium version, the stainless steel, Makume, Zircatite, Damascus, superconductor, you name it, they are out there. So yeah, but this one definitely slides well. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be on my daily beater as well. It's gonna be part of my daily carry. And I won't care about keeping it in shape that much, to be honest. But yeah, this thing is also one of a kind, amazing. If you guys don't have one of these, I definitely recommend you guys pick one up. Don't pick up the PI version if you don't like loud noises. I'm gonna just say that. But yeah, nothing else much to say about this thing. Like I said, I will be trying out the different balls and the different plate on this one, maybe even this one, and I'll let you guys know well, you guys will see the video when it comes out. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. And yeah, again, thank you guys for watching. Check out the channel sponsors down below. I have exclusive discount codes just for my viewers. The links are down below. Use code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire orders. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.